Hello, this is Julia from Château de Parenchère. I wanted to introduce you our estates as it's a bit more complicated to travel right now. We wanted to give you a bit of insight about Château de Parenchère, who we are and what we're doing actually. So here Château de Parenchère is a very old estate. It's dating from the 16th century and the chateau itself was rebuilt in the 18th century. So there's a lot of history of the chateau itself. And we are located at the very east side of the Bordeaux region. Actually, we are 38 kilometers away from a famous region called Saint-Émilion. And we are at the limit of another region called Dordogne. And actually, the limit of Bordeaux is at the lowest part of our property. It's this line of tree, which you can see here, is the limit of Bordeaux and the start of another region called Dordogne. Château de Parenchère is a very large estate. As privately owned, it's quite counting in the largest estate in Bordeaux because the total land of Parenchère is 180 hectares, which means around 470 acres of land. And this property, we chose the best plots to have the vines. And it's only 70 hectares of vines, so which is about 170 acres of land. So on this place, we mostly have chalk and clay soil. And this chalk and clay is very important for us because it's giving power in our wines, which is quite typical of Parenchère, but also a nice freshness in general in the soil. So power and good freshness, good acidity are two characteristics of our wines. So it's really selected. Only the vineyard is on slopes facing the sun and have a good natural drainage. So that's very important for us. And what's interesting for Parenchère is that as the land, the property is quite large, we have different styles of soils from one side to the other of the chateau. And that's very interesting for us because then we can play with the different plots, and also that's explaining why we have so many grape varieties in Château de Parenchère. On this property, we are dominantly red based on what's planted in the vineyards. So we are mostly doing red vines, but we also have some white varietals. Mostly the biggest grape variety is 50% Merlot, 40% Cabernet Sauvignon. We have 9% Cabernet Franc and 1% is Malbec, which is still planted in Bordeaux. We still like this grape also very much. So that's our biggest part of what's planted is red varietals, but we also have some white, and the white varietals of Parenchère is 6 hectares, and on these plots mostly is planted in the lowest part of Parenchère here, facing the sun, and these plots are mostly planted with Sauvignon Blanc, 70%, then 20% of Sémillon, and 10% of Muscadelle. I will explain you a little bit what it gives in the vines itself to present you a bit the range. As we discussed, Château de Parenchère is a very large estate with 70 hectares of vines. And on this estate, it's quite a particularity of Parenchère to have quite a limited range. So Château de Parenchère has one white, one rosé, which is a special style of rosé, which is called Clairet, and 3 different red wines. Most year we only make only 2 wines. So we produce on 70 hectares of vines, we produce around 400,000 bottles. Château de Parenchère Blanc is around 30,000 bottles. Our special Clairet is around 80,000 bottles. The classic Parenchère Red is around 200,000 bottles. It's really our biggest production. Then we make Cuvée Raphaël, which is a limited production from our best broths. And some years, when it's a really exceptional vintage, we produced our Esprit de Parenchère, which is a very limited production cuvée, and only 6,000 bottles. So that's something we only produce when it's a top year, just to have fun. So for now, in the US, you have 3 wines that you generally carry: the white Château de Parenchère, the classic red of Château de Parenchère, and the Cuvée Raphaël. So I'm going to describe a little bit the wines now. So Château de Parenchère Blanc is coming from our 6 hectares of white wines. This wine here, we replanted our vines from white in 2005. So that's vines that were grafted from Cabernet Franc and were translated into white varietals. So it was great because we had the chance to manage to choose what we really wanted to have in this wine. So the goal of this wine was to have something fresh and with a good acidity and a good aromatics. So that's why we focused on Sauvignon Blanc mostly, but we also wanted this wine to reflect the style of Parenchère, which is quite round and generous. So that's why we chose to have quite a good amount of Sémillon in the blend. So it's 20% of what's planted in the Parenchère vineyards. And we also added some Muscadelle. The Muscadelle is a very aromatic grape, which is giving floral aromas like white flower, peach aromas. So this combination is giving a wine which has a great aromatics of mostly citrus from the Sauvignon Blanc, but right away you'll see in the mouth it's something quite round and quite generous. And then there is this aromatics of white flower, which is quite also really there at the final. So the way we design this wine, the way we make this wine is done with a small of skin contact for about 1 day. And then we work at very low temperature to keep the aromas very fresh and alive. And then the wine is aging on fine lees for about 3 months. So that's a way to have a nice aromatics, but also to give a bit more body to the wine. And we chose not to have any oak. Everything is done in stainless steel to have more freshness and purity in the wine. So the goal really was not the oak. So then this wine is really a wine to enjoy like it is as an aperitif, but it's also a beautiful wine to drink with white fishes, seafood. It's really a perfect wine for dinner, for the table actually. So now we talk about the reds. As you know, Bordeaux is mostly planted with red varietals, and Château de Parenchère is the same because we have 63 hectares of red varietals planted in Bordeaux. Our biggest cuvée is the classic red bottled Château de Parenchère. So our Château de Parenchère, the main cuvée of Château de Parenchère, is produced from vines that are 25 years old on average, and it's coming from the whole part of the property. The way we produce wine at Parenchère, 32 different plots of Parenchère will make 32 different wine, and after we combine them according to the tasting. And in general, the Château de Parenchère wines, we choose the plots which are the more fleshy, the more dense in aromas, and the more supple at the same time. We really have a goal to have wines that are ready to drink, actually, with a nice fleshiness and quite intense and easy to drink, quite young. So Château de Parenchère is produced from vines that are 25 years old on average, and we tend to put more Merlot in the assemblage, in the blends for this wine. So for example, this cuvée here of 2017, which is the vintage we are having now, it's 60% of Merlot, 25% of Cabernet Sauvignon, and 20% of Cabernet Franc. And for that blend, it's really helping us to have the Merlot, which is intense and giving these black currant aromas mostly, and a bit of cherry. And also the Cabernet Sauvignon, which is offering some spiciness and a bit more structure in the wine. And Cabernet Franc is very interesting also for the aromatic and the finesse in the wine. So really this combination helps us to have a wine which you can drink young, very intense, very alive. But also it's a wine that can age for about 15 years. Now we're going to talk about our Cuvée Raphaël. Cuvée Raphaël actually is the flagship wine of Parenchère, is our special cuvée. Cuvée Raphaël has got that name because it's coming from my grandfather named Raphael, who purchased the estate in 58 and had to restore the whole vineyard. So that's why we chose to have the special cuvée in his name. And Cuvée Raphaël is really designed with the best plots of the estate. So we have these 32 different plots, and then we select them and we just choose the more fine
cuvée, but the more dense also, and the more delicate and silky wines to go into this wine. It's also vines that are much older, because so it's 50 years old vine on average for that wine, and we really choose the more powerful and dense cuvée for that wine. And there is a special aging in French oak barrels for about 14 months. But we don't put too much new oak in our cellar. We replace about 25% new barrels every year. Everything is aged in barrels, but only 25% new every year, because we want the fruit to be very intense at the same time. So that wine is always, you can see the color, very dense in color. And also it displays these aromas also of blackcurrant, but there's a bit more spiciness, because the blend is often 50% Merlot and 15% Cabernet Sauvignon. Merlot is bringing this suppleness, but also these intense aromas of red berries. And also you have this structure that's brought by the Cabernet Sauvignon. Cabernet Sauvignon is really here to give more structure in the wine, more spiciness. So that wine, you can drink it young, but it's a wine that's got about 20 years of aging potential, actually. And it's always very dense, but always very elegant and silky at the same time. So it's really the image of a very good classic Bordeaux. So at Château de Parenchère, we really work like a cru classé, actually, like a Grand Cru. We have the latest technology of harvesting machine. We also have an optical sorting system to make some sorting of the grapes. We work, as we discussed, plot-to-plot approach, where 32 different plots with each identity is not blending together, and it's really designed as different wine, and then 32 different plots makes 32 different wines combined together. And actually this approach also of winemaking is actually also done in the vineyard itself. First, Château de Parenchère is sustainable, which is very important for us. We have the HEV certification, that means high environmental value farm. And that sustainability, actually now we are in process of starting to be in the biological wine. We're starting this year. So for now, we are not biological yet, but we are moving each year closer to that, and we'll need 3 years to be totally biological, but we're starting the process right now. So for us, that's the first thing. The most important is the work which is done in the vineyard to get some nice quality. So in the vineyard also we do debuddings, grain harvest, so that's a lot of techniques to get more concentration in the wine, but also a way not to make the vines produce what we don't need. So it's very important. Also, we do a lot of things to limit the use of pesticides, and we use only organic fertilizers when it's absolutely needed. So they're very sparing use of chemical products. Also, we've stopped using chemical weeding in the vineyards, and we are doing we grow grass between the row, and we are doing mechanical weeding between the row. Now we have got a machine to do that. So I mean, Parenchère is really done sustainably, and that counts in the quality of the wine, of course, plus the low yields, plus all the selection and the manual sorting, the optical sorting that we do in the process of the production of the wines, that really help us to achieve the best possible quality level that we can get. Château de Parenchère, actually, this search for quality has been quite recognized by the press, and we've been happy for that. For example, Parker in the late 70s, 80s already recognized our work. And he said we were happy to read some articles in the press, like one he said that now that Léoville Lascaz costs $150 a bottle, I recommend Parenchère. That was a good quote to read. He also said, we need more wine like Parenchère, excellent Bordeaux Supérieur at sensible price. things like that that really help us to have a bit of recognition. And more lately, we've got very nice press, like from the Wine Enthusiast, James Suckling, Wine Enthusiast. We got also been awarded 5 years ago for the white as top 100 best buy of the year. So that was a good thanks to Reed for our little white. And this year, last February, actually the Parenchère Classic 2017 also got 90 points, saying that Bordeaux is not necessarily very expensive, and it chose Parenchère as one in the top 5 wines under $25 to recommend. So that's quite good quotes that we have, and it's really helped us to express what we are and what we do. Because the only appellation Bordeaux Supérieur is not as fancy, unfortunately, but it's the best level we can get from where we are located. So we are happy to have things and people that recognize the work we are doing. So thank you, all of you, because you're really part of that, and you are the key element for communicating what we are doing and what we really put our heart in. So thank you for your help, and we hope to come and see you soon in the US to manage to meet you and to do some presentation directly ourselves or live to your customers. So thank you for your time. Thank you for listening to this video, and hope you will enjoy our wines. Thank you. Bye-bye.